Expand and simplify fully 3x plus 4, 2x minus 3, 5x minus 2. My usual way of doing this is to start by expanding the second two brackets. So we know that we're going to do 2x times 5x, so the 3x plus 4 will just sit here for now. And then we're going to get 10x squared. And then we'll do the 2x times the negative 2, so that's going to be take away 4x. And then we'll do the negative 3 times the 5x, so that's going to be take away 15x. And then finally, negative 3 times negative 2 is a plus 6. So we have 3x plus 4 times 10x squared minus 19x plus 6. Now to expand this, my normal approach is to do the 3x times everything over here. So that's going to give me 30x cubed. Take away 57x squared plus 18x. And then I do the 4 times everything over here, like so. That's going to give me plus 40x squared. Take away 76x and plus 24. So that's 30x cubed. Take away 17x squared. Take away 58x plus 24.